Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about stabilization. And the purpose for this stabilization is how to prevent an off-balance movement while in motion. Okay? You need a combined transition movement. There's two combined transition that you must have. The two elements are the leading arm must be straight and the leading thigh core muscle strength. Okay, at the two elements, the leading arm straight, when it's moving down from at the top of the swing, it's a very fast moving force that need a counterbalance, and that counterbalance is with the leading thigh core muscle strength. The leading thigh core muscle strength, the purpose for that is to hold up the movement, because the arm is moving so fast down toward, it needs some counterbalance for that. So the leading thigh is holding it up, that stabilizing the arm swing coming down. And then once at the impact, the leading thigh moving forward along with the leading arm straight. Okay,